Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are going to learn about one of the very important topic, health and hygiene. Lesson number 11, health and hygiene. Dear children, you are all know it, nowadays the whole world is facing COVID-19, isn't it? So in this situation, this topic is very relevant, isn't it? Nowadays, it is very important to we take care of our health and hygiene. Got it, children? Okay, let we start. First, we go to warm up. Read and find out who is healthier of the two. Here is a girl. Her name is Shiny. Here is boy. Boy name is Neeladri. Let we see. First, I drink 8 glass of water every day. Who drink? Shiny drink 8 glass of water every day. Here Neeladri, I drink 2 glass of water every day. Neeladri drink only 2 glass of water. Shiny drink 8 glass of water. Our body needs plenty of water, isn't it? So she is in right way. Next, I go out to play badminton every evening. Here Neeladri, I watch television for hours every evening. Next, Shiny, a snack on healthy food like fresh fruits. A snack on healthy food like fresh fruits. Fresh food is very good for our health, isn't it? I like to eat chocolates before I go to bed every night. Chocolate is a junk food. It is not help for our health, isn't it? It is not healthy. Next, I go to bed early to get proper sleep. Got it, children? Here I go to bed late. Who is healthy, Shiny or Neeladri? Obviously, Shiny is healthy, isn't it? So, in this dash, you write the Shiny. Take a pencil and write here Shiny. Shiny is healthy because she follow the good health habits, isn't it? Okay, children, now we go to the topic, being healthy. Regular exercise, rest and eating healthy help us to live a healthy life. Let us learn more about this. Dear children, to stay healthy, we must have personal hygiene. And we must do exercise daily, and we should have balanced diet in our meals, and we must take proper rest. These are all needs for being healthy. Got it, children? First we go to exercise. Exercise. The body needs to plenty of exercise to keep fit and healthy. Exercise help us to grow strong. It help us to build up a good appetite. Playing outdoor games, swimming, walking and jogging in the park are some of the ways to exercise and keep oneself active. Even elders in the family need to light exercise. They can go for walks and practice yoga. Different yoga asanas help us to keep our mind and body fit. Dear children, we are all need exercise because it keeps us to fit and healthy. It helps to build up good appetite. Good appetite means hungry. When we doing exercise, our digestion power increase. Got it, children? We become hungry. Swimming, jogging, walking, playing outdoor games are good for our health, isn't it? It is good exercise. Swimming, jogging, walking, playing outdoor games are gives us good exercise to our body. Got it? All aged people need exercise. All aged people need exercise. Children, adults, and elder people also. Got it? Some people doing yogasanas. You know it. Yogasana. Isn't it? Some people doing yogasanas. Yoga is help to keep our mind and body fit. When we are fit, we are healthy. Isn't it? Health is wealth. Got it, children? Health is a wealth. Next we go to eating habits. Eating healthy. We do a lot of activities in a day. Food gives us energy to these activities. We should eat right kind of food in the right amount to get all the nutrients required for our body. Vegetables, cereals, fruits, meat, grains and milk are good food. We should eat these daily in right amount. Dear children, daily we are doing so many activities, playing, working, and we do some exercise also. These are all activity need energy, isn't it? These are all activity need energy. Where we get energy? Yes, children, we get energy from our food, isn't it? We get energy from our food. In the previous chapter, you learned it. Our food, isn't it? We should eat right kind of food in the right amount. Got it, children? We should eat right kind of food in right amount. We must eat vegetables, cereals, fruits, and milk. These are all good food. It gives us energy. These are all healthy food. When we eat healthy food, we become healthy, isn't it? So we should have balanced diet in our meals. Got it, children? What is balanced diet? You know it. Here is given right kind of food in right amount. This is we know as balanced diet. You are already learning our food chapter. What is balanced diet? You know it, isn't it? Okay, children. Dear children, it is very important to we eat fixed time. We eat fixed time and drink plenty of water every day. Water is also very helpful for our health, isn't it? It is required for our digestion. Water is required for our digestion, isn't it? So, daily we drink plenty of water. Next, we chew our food well. It is very important. We chew our food is very important. Do not waste our food. Eat in happy and pleasant mood. You know it. We must eat any food happy and pleasant mood. So this gives us to health. Got it, children? Then we go to rest. We feel tired after a day's hard work. We must rest for some time. We can read a book or listen to music to relax. Our body needs proper sleep. We should go to bed early as well as wake up early. We should try to get at least 8 hours of sleep every day. Dear children, daily we doing so many activities, isn't it? We working, playing and doing some exercise and some other works, isn't it? After the work, we became tired, isn't it? We became tired, we must rest. We must want to rest, isn't it? How can we relax? Listen music, reading book. These are all activities gives us relax. And we also need proper sleep. Got it, children? We also need proper sleep. We should go to bed early as well as wake up early. It is a good habit. Go to bed early as well as wake up early. We are all need 8 hours of sleep every day. Got it? 8 hours of sleep every day. Got it, children? So proper rest, good exercise, eating healthy food and proper rest. These are all help us to fit and healthy. Got it? Now we go to little scientist portion. It takes you only few minutes to finish up a meal, but your body takes 12 hours to digest the food. Really, it's wonder, children. We finished our meals in a few minutes, but our body takes 12 hours for digest the food. Got it? Here, did you know portion? We may get back pain as we grow old due to lack of exercise, poor posture and being overweight. Got it? So, do exercise is better. Okay children, this is enough for today. Next class I will continue it.